So I pulled the rear end out of the blue Mustang, the one with the coyote in it, and there she sits. We were just going to clean it up, but when I took the cover off, because I was going to check the fluid, change the fluid and all that stuff, I found some surprises, which you never want to find surprising things in your rear end. Anyhow, found a couple of these little pieces, and they are the ears that sit in your carrier here for your fiber disc on your clutch pack. So, which kind of defeats the purpose of your clutch pack if you can't hold your fiber disc together. That's got to stay stationary in the differential, and then your steels, hold on a sec, I'm lying to you. Yeah, your steels are the ones that are toothed to your actual side gear. So we're going to rebuild this thing. I'm going to put new bearings in it. The bearings don't look terrible, but you can tell in the races they have some embedded metal in them. I don't know if it'll focus on there or not, but you see all them little kind of shiny spots? That's all metal that's embedded in the race, and that's just going to cause issues over time. So we're going to rebuild it, make sure it's all squeaky clean inside, and make sure it's ready to take the abuse that coyote's going to give it. So anyhow, off to the computer to order parts. I'm going to clean this thing all up, get it ready to put back together.